Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, Microlocs, inspired by Lati. So this is a tutorial of me showing you how I styled my hair for the Michigan Heritage Rodeo. This was the first annual event. My husband and I were part of the event. My business was featured in the magazine as well, and it was just a perfect and great turnout. So stay tuned for the tutorial of how I achieved the look, what I wore, and some of the behind the scenes. Hello there, loves. So today we are taking these down. I do have a full video on my YouTube channel, and which I will link it, on how to apply the pipe cleaners. But right now we just gonna take them down, okay? I did sleep in these overnight. The only thing that I used was mousse and water, and of course the pipe cleaners. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take these down, and yeah, so let me show y'all. And I did them much smaller than what I did in the other video. That is the only difference, because I want them to be smaller, more defined, and then I want them to last longer as well. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys down. Take them down, down. Loosen the end and unravel. But yeah, just record it for me so I can see, since I can't be there, unfortunately.
Right. Just pop off if you want to be there.
Yeah, I'll ask him.
But okay, let me get this started. All right,
All right, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Girl, I'm sweating, it's hot. And I'm on a time crunch here, so. Ooh, child, I'm sweating. It is hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Ooh, that's how that's supposed to come down. Y'all see how quick and easy that was? If they could all be like that, that would be ideal. I got all of them out. All of the pipe cleaners out. And now I'm gonna take some oil and put it throughout them so they're not like dry. And then I'm gonna kind of separate them as well. And I'm kind of rushing as usual, but I mean, I'm not doing horrible on time, but I'm not doing as good as I would have hoped either. Okay, so here we are. Hopefully they're all combed out in the back. So I am going to get dressed, and I'm gonna come back and show you loves how I styled this hair. All right, holla, stay tuned. Okay, so before we get into the details of how I styled my hair and my outfit, we are going to take a look at a couple snippets of the rodeo, the Michigan Heritage Rodeo. It was a 2-day event. My husband was on the committee, featured here, and then also my business was featured in the magazine as well, which was a great turnout for my business because I have gained some new clients. So before we get into how I style my microlocs and the details of the fit, let's check out this short snippet of the news coverage surrounding the event.
Helping to preview what you can expect is Janet Howard. What is the significance behind the Michigan Heritage Rodeo?
The Michigan Heritage Rodeo is really an attempt for the entire community to learn about a part of history that's often left out when we talk about the American West and the Western culture. We're going to feature some exciting young riders today who really are standing on the shoulders of the Bill Pickett's, the Mary Fields, the Deadwood Dicks, Charlie Sampson, riders and champions in the rodeo from years gone by.
So this was the very first Michigan Heritage Rodeo. However, this will be an annual event, and the plans are already in motion for 2026. And the plan is to make it even more entertaining and memorable for the upcoming year. So just stay tuned for that. But there was some amazing talent. When I tell you there were small children riding these animals and controlling these animals, and it was just very interesting. My first time being at a rodeo, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Okay, so now you know we cannot have a rodeo without having a boots on the ground after party. So this is me and my beautiful mother getting it in. We like in the hallway having our own little party, but we also enjoyed the party as well. It was a whole vibe.
From the bar to the stool all night, just you and I, two-stepping in the dive bar.
These are the locks, the Microlocs. So for the outfit details, the boots and the hat came from Amazon, which I will link below. Blue jean dress, I am not sure where I got this from. I've had it for many years. And then the purse is just my regular Gucci bag, which you can wear any little cute, blue purse with this outfit. But I did wear the same hat and boots both days to the event, but different outfits, of course. So, yeah. And as you know, the Microlocs are these cute pipe cleaner curls that pair very well with the hat. Loading up the cattle and the livestock. Hey, y'all. Hey. Behind the scenes, yes. After the show, after the event, it went off without a hitch. It was definitely a success. It was full. I didn't get any footage of that, which I should have, but literally it was full, nowhere to sit. People were standing. Yeah, nowhere to sit. People were standing. And yeah, this is it. This is the committee. The committee shirts on, honorary committee. There's the hubby.
What y'all think we should do? Because I know they wrapping up all of these banners that we had on the wall. Should we take them banners too or no?
Yes.
Okay, so let me see, because the young man, I see him wrapping them up.
The lady behind the magic that put it all, that put this show together. Mr. Howard, you did a wonderful job putting this together. Yes, everybody did a great job.
On a Wednesday night at the same old spot, spending every dollar I got. 2-3 shots won't leave one dry, and a jukebox on lock. She just wanna party all night.